This is an office building and we will scan it with SLAM2000. Today I will introduce to you how to use SLAM2000 handheld 3D LiDAR scanner. Next, let's see how to install it. This is the battery built-in handle and this is the base. Next, let's fix it. Align it. Then tighten the screws to fix it. Okay, it's fixed. Then connect the LiDAR scanner with the handle. Okay, it's finished. Press and hold the switch button for a few seconds. After hearing a beeping sound, it means the scanner is officially started. Open the phone to connect to Wi-Fi. From the SLAM2000 app, you can check the scanning checks in real time. When the LiDAR scanner begins to rotate, it means it can work formally. Okay, we'll finish the scanning this office building. Click the SLAM2000 app to end the collection.